Hello, and welcome to Web Pros Meeting. This tutorial shows you how to use file sharing, manage files, protect materials, and share links in just a few clicks. How much easier would it be to host a live meeting if you never had to send guests out to Dropbox, Google Drive, WeTransfer, or anywhere else, just to download and open a file? Using your secure, built-in file sharing helps you look prepared, professional, and confident. To access file sharing, click Home. Then select File Sharing from the menu. Think of file sharing like a built-in file cabinet inside your meeting room. Instead of sending people away to other apps and hoping they come back, everything stays organized, secure, and ready on screen where your meeting is happening. To upload a file, click Upload. To create a folder and keep your files organized, click Add Folder. This is especially helpful when you're building an organization, because the more organized your room is, the easier it becomes to share the right file at the right moment without breaking your flow. To download a file, first check the box next to the file you want. Then click Download. To hide a file from guests, check the box next to the file, then click Hide. Hidden files remain visible only to you as the host. To make a file visible to guests again, click the View button to the right of that file. To delete a file, check the box next to it, then click Delete. If you plan to distribute a link to people outside the live meeting, you may want to password protect the file. To apply a password, click the Lock button. This is useful when you want to control access to sensitive or important materials. To copy a download link for a file, click the Link button. The link will automatically be copied to your clipboard, ready to be pasted into an email, SMS message, or anywhere else you want to share it. To move through the folders you've created, click this menu. Also note, when you stop recording and your account has enough storage available, your recorded file is automatically placed into a folder named Recordings. If that folder does not yet appear in your account, it will be created automatically the first time a recording is saved there. That means your meeting recording can be ready to share almost immediately, without needing to first upload it somewhere else. If you want guests to upload or download files during a live meeting, click the Guest List button at the top of the meeting room, then click Manage All Guest Rights. From there, slide the upload and download controls to on as needed. And if you want someone to download a file without joining a live meeting, simply copy the file link and send it to them. They can download the file directly, even if not logged into the meeting. And as previously mentioned, you can protect the file with a password for added security. With file sharing, your meeting room becomes more than a place to talk. It becomes a secure, organized place to store, share, and distribute the files you need, without sending people away from your conversation.
Thank you for your interest in Web Pros Meeting, and thanks for watching.